Finally, I just received this small package. It's something that I've been waiting for a very, very long time. Let's open it and see what's inside. Yeah, I need a better knife for my kitchen as well as to unpack stuff. Yeah, this is terrible and dangerous. Oh wow, it's so well packed. Okay. Almost there. Sorry about the sound. I'm actually recording on my iPhone. And the reason why this is so important, the reason why I was waiting for this package is because of this. You would say it's a normal cable. No, it's an SC15, which means I can connect my Rode Wireless 2 to this iPhone you're watching me record on right now. That's one of the reasons my audio levels might not be as good right now. This is going to fix it. So with my Sony Alpha A7 IV's camera and my iPhone, my gear for vlogging is pretty much complete. Next steps, let's connect this to the iPhone and see how it works. Before that, I gotta clear all of this up. Next steps are to take my Rode Wireless Go to receiver, get the cable, plug it in. It has to click. There we go. It's clicked in. And now this I will attach with my iPhone. So I've got a mount for my Jobby tripod. The mount has a cold shoe. This will go onto the cold shoe, and this end right here we will connect with the iPhone and we should be good. So my audio on my iPhone recording should be way better than it is right now. This is my Jobby tripod with the iPhone grip mounted on it, iPhone mount on the tripod right here, and right here it has a cold shoe. This is where the receiver for Go Wireless 2 would go, and then this is where the iPhone would go, and they'll be connected with the cable. So let's put it all together now. So as you can see, I have put the Go Wireless 2 receiver in the cold shoe, and it's ready to be connected with my iPhone using the lightning end of the cable right here. My iPhone's finally connected to the Rode Go 2 wireless receiver. Here's the transmitter. So I will put this transmitter on and I can start recording on that iPhone. That's my new iPhone. So we can start recording on that. You can also download the Rode Central app on your phone, which will then allow you to manage the settings on the receiver in terms of gain, splitting channels and all of that. Let's do a quick audio test. I've got the transmitter here, the receiver's right on top of my iPhone, and the audio being recorded right now is basically coming through the Rode Go 2 wireless system connected to the phone. And I'm sure there's a huge difference in quality. The audio previously should have some echo. I haven't compared it myself till now, and there should be less echo right now. Plus, I can now move around. So this will be my go-to vlogging setup in terms of moving around, walking, especially with the action feature on the new iPhone. I'll be doing an a video on the iPhone itself, the features that I really use as a vlogger. That'll be an interesting video, so look out for that. Also, before I forget, do subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification icon. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment and I will try my best to respond. One very important thing to remember before I forget is I'm using the Rode SC15 cable as I showed you in the beginning. I tried the USB-C to Lightning and that does not work. As soon as you connect your phone, your iPhone, with your receiver using the Rode SC15 cable, the app on your phone, the Rode Central app, would automatically detect it. As you can see, then you can use the features on the phone, merging channels or splitting channels, handling the gain, all of that. It's a pretty decent app, and I'm hoping the audio's turned out well. Yeah, that was a quick point that I wanted to share. Have a great day.